What up, boys? Variety Bros. Back at it again with a spicy challenge.
This one's gonna be a hot one.
You know, we had to hop on that damn Arby's shit. The lighting is fucking with it.
Yeah, it's bad.
But guess what? We seen this trend going around, you know what I'm saying? So you know we had to hop on that shit.
Ooh.
It smells fire. No freaking pre-licks.
It's pretty spicy.
But we're gonna throw a pack of the spicy triple pepper
And buffalo sauce.
and buffalo sauce on the burger itself to make it more hot. Because y'all boys know, we did the blazing wing challenge.
That shit wasn't hot.
It was hot. Don't let it fucking cap. The whole pack of buffalo, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna hit it with that.
It's gonna be messy though.
I'm gonna hit it with that triple pepper sauce. The whole thing. Bro, this shit's about to light our buttholes on fire.
It's gonna be pretty messy too. Mine is anyways.
Alright. Boom. Of course it's gonna be messy. This shit's gonna get all over our
Ooh,
face.
it's fucking runny. Look at that.
Do we have any napkins or anything?
Oh, that 3 pepper sauce is kind of
Is it hot?
with the shits.
Is it with the shits?
Yeah, bro. I went like that to, you know, taste it, and it was like, oh. Oh yeah, you know, your boys got haircuts.
I hope I got that, you know.
I had to cut
Mole.
my hair because
Mole.
I cut my hair because it's starting to get on my nerves.
You starting to get on my nerves.
It was.
Alright. Oh, it's fucking dripping. Ooh. Ooh. Oh god, you said you wanted a chicken sandwich.
It's dripping.
Cheers.
It's all over my hand. It's already too late for towels now, Kevin.
Please don't be ass. I'm not getting no sense of heat.
I'll just bring them anyways.
You ain't getting no sense of heat.
The sauce is tangy as shit. They call this a fucking Diablo burger? No. Bro, this ain't shit. This is actually kind of fire. Like,
Where's that Valentina?
fuck off. This shit. Well, it's kind of like eating a hot Cheeto sandwich. It's not really spicy. I mean, it's fucking spicy, but it's more or less like a tolerable spice. Like I can speak and breathe. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all, really.
My shit's just hella messy, bro. Watch us say it's not spicy. And then after the video, it just punches us right in our mouth.
I mean, it's alright. It's not super duper, oh my god, spicy like the blazing wings, no.
Those were ghost pepper, though.
No, it wasn't. Carolina Reaper.
Same shit.
No, it's like 2 million Scoville units more.
What, a ghost pepper?
Ghost Pepper's 1 million. Carolina Reaper's 3 million. I think. Don't quote me on that. Well, I think I've managed to eat all the chicken out of it.
I have too. It's like the chicken just comes out as you're biting it.
Okay, here it goes.
Hey, hand me a towel. Like I did this sauce off my shit. Oh, oh! I got just straight bread and fucking sauce, bro. Ugh.
That's all I got right now too is bread and sauce.
I don't know. I think they did something different with mine because I feel a lot of spice.
That's because you're a puss.
Motherfucker.
We got the same fucking burger.
Uh-oh.
Just like this motherfucker Call of Duty Activision be singling me out.
They do.
Don't get me wrong. Mine's just hot. Especially when you get to just this bread.
I'm done.
Down it, babe. Down it.
Puss!
I needed some water. My mouth was dry anyways. It's been dry since we... Oh. I need one more paper towel.
That's the last one.
Oh!
So what do they say about your chicken strips?
We're about to go get them here in a minute.
Well. Righty bros. Yet again smashing another challenge. Subscribe, hit that like button. If you like the content you see, hit that bell button. But, righty bros, peace.